Pushing the limits, pixels on the goggles come alive. Adrenaline pumping, the feeling of being truly alive. Dipping low, skimming the treetops, a symphony of sound. Two drones as one, a bond that's beautifully unbound. Earth trembles below, a fresh breath in the air. Volcanic landscape, a drone pilot's daring dare. Through rocky fields we spiral, a dance with rock hardcore. Mirrored in the water, a fiery ballet we explore. Following your lead through canyons carved by rain, the mirrored reflection, a mesmerizing game. Dipping low by the rocky sands, this aerial adventure, controlled by steady hands. Earth trembles below, a fresh breath in the air. Volcanic landscape, a drone pilot's daring dare. Through rocky fields we spiral, a dance with rock hardcore. Mirrored in the water, a fiery ballet we explore. A flicker of movement, a shadow against the light. Instinct takes over, a new course set in flight. Nature's beauty beckons, a majestic bird in view. But danger approaches, a mistake about to accrue. Wait, where'd you go? My vision's lost in the blue. Confusion sets in, what am I supposed to do? A sickening crunch, the signal fades from the sky. Silence descends, a heavy weight in my eye. Soaring through the forest, a newfound sense of respect. Learning from the error. Sun glints off the snow, a diamond display, forest like lace. place where shadows softly play. The drone dips and dives, a fearless ballet, capturing this beauty to take it all away. Fingers on the sticks, a symphony of flight. Drone's eye view unfolds, a breathtaking sight. Peaks pierce the clouds, a canvas of white. This frozen wonderland, a majestic delight. The car sways and rocks, a grounded routine, but the drone sets me free, a panoramic scene. Twisting and turning, a dance in the sky. Swiss mountains unfurl, a tear to my eye. The drone lands softly, the spell starts to fade, but the memory remains, a masterpiece made of mountains and music, a moment divine, the magic of flight, forever entwined. Soaring through the forest, a newfound sense of respect. Learning from the error, a bond I won't forget. Sunlight filters through leaves, painting dappled light below. What follows? An elegant, steady flow, rewriting the story, a choreography in the air, gliding through branches, a breathtaking visual affair. Leaves brush the rotors, a trust rebuilt anew. This aerial ballet, a performance just for you. Of red and gold, the mirrored descent, a story to be told. Gliding to the shoreline as embers fade in the sky, our drone ballet concludes beneath the volcanic side. Pushing the limits, pixels on the goggles come alive. Adrenaline pumping, the feeling of being truly alive. Dipping low, skimming the treetops, a symphony of sound. Two drones as one, a bond that's beautifully unbound. Another awesome day, we are on a bend. I wouldn't want to have it any other way. Another adventure with the DJI Avata comes to an end.